Alright everyone, welcome back to Automotive Anatomy. Today we're at Royal Accord meet, night meet, and must admit there's a lot more Accords than I anticipated, but there's definitely way more non-Accords than I imagined. So I wasn't even planning on recording today, but I don't know, just thought I'd come by and just shoot some cars, just some of that caught my attention. Like this sedan, I spoke with the owner, it's a young guy, and I like the rear wheels, the way they sit. And they're Motegi wheels. I didn't know they made them in 4x114. But as you guys can tell, I really like the style of it. Definitely giving me JTCC vibes. So maybe I'll look into those. There's some type of wheels I already have in mind, but it was nice to see those because I didn't think they made them 4x114. And then he has some OZ racing wheels up front. And then this other car over here definitely grabbed my attention. The 7th gen. Sits nicely. I hadn't seen this car in a long time. And man, it's so pretty. So yeah, I'm not trying to walk in the middle of everybody. So this video is gonna be a little different. But yeah, that one's really cool. I really like it. And then hoping I don't get some of you guys very dizzy with the zooming and zooming out and stuff. I'll try not to do it as much. Just trying to catch some of the cars that are coming in. Super nice. Sedans for the win, right? Or something like that. Very nice cars. It's cool because we're just keeping it low key. Cop over there. Definitely don't want to disturb and you know, for them not to allow us to be here. But a whole bunch of Type R's came through. Just gotta take the side parking. It's not bad at all. Yeah, but like I said, been a long time since I haven't seen this car. It sits so nicely. Fitment on it is right on, and the color choice too is pretty cool because it's a dark car, and to go with dark wheels, I think the owner nailed it. Very nice car. One of my favorite body styles, which is the coupe in this generation. And if I'm not mistaken, this was the 7.5. Now you guys can definitely correct me, but I think the 7.5. The rear tail light right here is sharp, like this one, and then the other ones they're round. That's why I really like this generation much better than the rounded, I guess. So this 0.5. Again, I could be wrong, but really like the color on this car. Looks very aggressive. Very cool. So very nice. One of the older Honda Society heads came through. Chris. Obviously he's ready for business. Just the BBK. It's boosted. Very nice setup. Yeah, I didn't expect him to be here, but made it out. Like I mentioned before, F23 boosted. Lighting is not in my favor, but it's a cool car, man. Excited for a bit. I'm glad he's never got bored of it, you know, or gotten rid of it. Very cool. Just great fitment, very beefy. So like I said, there's a lot of people, so I'm not going to be walking around in between everybody. I'm just going to be highlighting some of my favorite ones. So just kind of do my own thing, you know. And then a bag, 8th gen, super nice. It's dope. One of my favorite OEM wheels for like the newer chassis. Definitely this one's. There was a picture that just came up that had an Acura TL with those wheels. Is a red Acura TL, and it looked very, very cool. This wagon with the H swap, 5 lug with the waffle wheels, very cool. And then another car that I always like to see is I think he's named, the owner is Miguel. I think it's Munoz. Very aggressive front end, so you guys can see with the BBK. It's always one of my all-time favorites, the Civic wagons. Then there's a core running, I want to say 15-inch wheels, maybe 14. It's looking nice up. Very, very small wheels. And I think it's GOAT CD5. I can't remember his Instagram at the top of my head. He ended up actually winning another Accord Coupe on some waffle a while back, so he hasn't brought that one out yet, but this one's a new look. I hadn't seen it, and it's cool, carbon fiber, everything. I don't think I've seen those fenders before, so they're pretty cool. Very nice setup, new wheel tire setup as well. Hadn't seen that on this car. Looks very nice. Looks like everything lines up. Love the clear taillights in the back. It just looks so nice. SIR wing, very cool. So yeah, this is the new look for it. I really like it. That fitment sits very, very nicely. So nice. Way to go, man. Really like this car a lot. Not sure if there's any modifications done to the engine bay. So, super rad. Looks like he deleted a few things. That looks cool. I really, really like it. Very aggressive looking. Super cool. I dig it. Shout out to my buddy Aero. Came through, just hanging out. Very nice Lam 8th gen. Let me show some love to some Type R's. It's cool they all rolled in together. Very cool cars. Nice set of wheels. I like meets like this, just calm. Nobody's really bumping their loud music. Just relax. Super nice set of FK8s. Really like this black one. Funny story on the Civic Type R. I was so close to buying one, and there was a black one on their showroom. At the time, they were going over 10 grand for MSRP. I don't know what they go for now. Very nice wing in the back. Well, I offer 6K more than the asking price. So I don't know, it was what, 37? I think that was the MSRP. So I had 6 to that, and they still wouldn't let it go. They wanted me to go up to 8, which makes me think that then if I would have gone up to 8, they would have gone up to 10, whatever. Yeah, that was like 4 years ago, I think. Well, long story short, it would have been cool to own one, but it's not one of those cars that I like fully regret not buying. So, yep. I really like the way Jackie looks in this lighting. I like this parking lot a lot. It gives her the color that I really was aiming for. A little bit of blue, a little bit of gray. Fitment still whack, but oh well. Makes me happy, right? So it is what it is. Just chilling like a villain, man. She's a trooper. I've had her for now May 5 de Mayo, 5th of May. It'll be damn 11 years. So going on 11 years with this bucket, and well, still makes me happy. So ultimately that's what matters, I think. Not the fanciest or prettiest by any means, but it is what it is. This CB pulled up when the Type R's came through. So pretty, man. Love it. It's iconic. I don't know how to describe it. Probably one of the most popular Accords chassis. They've been done in so many different manners. Track, lowrider, obviously stanced. It's so pretty. So pretty. And those mesh wheels just does justice. Funny enough, Allen's is in the background right there with the 5-lug TL wheels. He has a RL BBK in the front. One of my favorite ones. Even though it's faded like I mentioned before, I just love it. Because really you don't need much. I mean, you can tell this car is just, that's it. Like, that's all you need. So pretty. Very cool. Just chill like a villain. Very nice fitment. It's dope. Another 6th gen. Another 6th gen that always grabs my attention, as so it does for that gentleman. Super nicely fitted. It's very good fitment. Like I said, if I'm getting anybody dizzy with the zooming, do apologize. I just really like this camera. If anybody's wondering, it's a Sony 6400. Budget friendly, I would say. You know, I think it was like 1300, if I'm not mistaken. But it looks great. It does amazing. I mean, I still like my GoPro. Don't get me wrong, just because it's so much easier to maneuver. But can't beat the quality of some of these, you know, cameras. Or I guess the new iPhones now that they're all coming out. They're all super fancy. I think I still have iPhone 6 or something. It's crazy. I don't really care for technology, so. Big shout out to Paolo. Got to have a chat with him today. That's his CB. Super cool. He has 2 of them. One of them still his original car. This one's the manual. Very cool car. Nice chatting up with you, man. Thanks for the love and the support. I really appreciate it. Damn, she's looking good today. I haven't even washed her. It's cool. I'm sure the owner's gonna be really happy once he drops it. It's gonna give it a whole different look. Dope. Big shout out to Paolo. Got to have a chat with him today. That's his CB. Super cool. He has 2 of them. One of them still his original car. This one's the manual. Very cool car. Nice chatting up with you, man. Thanks for the love and the support. I really appreciate it. Damn, she's looking good today. I haven't even washed her. It's cool. I'm sure the owner's gonna be really happy once he drops it. It's gonna give it a whole different look. Dope. Alrighty. So if I didn't get your car, don't take it personal. It's just, I don't know, I didn't get your car. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Huge thank you to Royal Accords for hosting, and I'll definitely try to make it out again. Really like the location, and honestly, I was messing around with them. The fact that there was a lot more non-Accords than Accords, but it's all right. We got love for everyone. Nice CP3. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Whew. Beefy.